Today I'm going to show you how to add an email account to Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you manage multiple email addresses and want to access them all from one central location without constantly switching between different apps or browser tabs. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. You'll need to wait a moment for your emails to fully load into the interface. This initial loading is important because it ensures that Outlook is properly connected and ready to accept additional accounts. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to add that new email account. Look toward the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several menu options here, and what we're looking for is the File menu. Click on File and the menu will expand, revealing several different options and settings. From the File menu, you'll notice you're now in the Info section by default. This is where Outlook displays your account information and various account-related settings. On the right side panel of this menu, you'll see a button labeled Add Account with a plus icon next to it. This is exactly what we need to add your additional email address to Outlook. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the Add Account button, a login window will appear on your screen. This window is where you'll enter the credentials for the email account you want to add. Simply type in the email address you wish to add, followed by the password associated with that account. Outlook will then verify your credentials and integrate that email account into your existing setup, and that's it. You've successfully added a new email account to Outlook, giving you the ability to manage multiple inboxes from a single convenient location. This makes it much easier to stay organized and respond to emails across different accounts without the hassle of logging in and out repeatedly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.